Today, I'll show you how to add a zoom in and zoom out animation to your text. This is a great way to make your titles pop and add some style to your edits. First, on your timeline, tap the plus button to add a text layer, type in your text, and position it where you'd like. Now, tap on the text layer and from the pop-up menu, select Motion. Inside Motion, head over to the Loop tab. Here, you'll find an option called Breathe. Tap on it, and instantly, your text will start moving in and out, just like a zoom effect. To refine it further, tap on the Breathe option again, and you'll see a duration slider. This lets you adjust how fast or slow the text zooms in and out. Slide it left for faster movement or right for a slower, smoother effect. And that's it. You've added a clean zoom in and zoom out animation to your text in VN Video Editor. Try it on titles, captions, or even intro text to make your edits more dynamic. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more VN video editing tricks.